Just listen, repeat, and practice. Let's get started. I just got home. I just got home. I just got home. Use this sentence when you arrive at your house recently. It tells someone that you have returned home a short time ago. What are you up to? What are you up to? What are you up to? Use this casual question to ask someone what they are doing right now or what plans they have. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. Use this sentence when you cannot talk now but plan to phone the person afterward. That sounds great. That sounds great. That sounds great. Use this expression to show that you like an idea, plan, or suggestion. I'm running late. I'm running late. I'm running late. Use this sentence when you are not on time and may arrive later than expected. Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Use this polite question when you need support, assistance, or information from someone. I need some coffee. I need some coffee. I need some coffee. Use this sentence when you want coffee, usually because you feel tired or sleepy. Let's grab lunch. Let's grab lunch. Let's grab lunch. Use this casual sentence to invite someone to eat lunch together. I totally agree. I totally agree. I totally agree. Use this expression when you strongly agree with someone's opinion or idea. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. Use this sentence when you are sick, tired, or not feeling healthy. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Use this sentence when you have already started going somewhere. Please have a seat. Please have a seat. Please have a seat. Use this polite expression to invite someone to sit down. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. Use this sentence when you need time before making a decision. What happened here? What happened here? What happened here? Use this question when something unusual, messy, or surprising has occurred. I forgot my keys. I forgot my keys. I forgot my keys. Use the sentence when you left your keys somewhere by mistake. The traffic was awful. The traffic was awful. The traffic was awful. Use the sentence to explain that the roads were very crowded or slow. I need a break. I need a break. I need a break. Use this sentence when you feel tired and want to rest for some time. That makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. Use this expression when you understand and agree with an explanation. I'm really tired. I'm really tired. I'm really tired. Use this sentence when you feel very exhausted or sleepy. Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Use Use this polite question when you did not hear or understand something clearly. I'll be right back. I will be right back. I'll be right back. Use this sentence when you are leaving briefly and will return soon. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Use this expression to show that something is not very serious or important. I need more time. I need more time. I need more time. Use the sentence when you cannot finish or decide something quickly. Let's stay in touch. Let's stay in touch. Let's stay in touch. Use this expression when you want to continue communicating with someone in the future. I'll check my schedule. I will check my schedule. I'll check my schedule. Use the sentence when you want to see your plans or appointments before answering. Thanks for watching.